Welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are continuing with Fat Quarter Shop's 2024 Designer Mystery Block of the Month. This is Block 10, Hugs and Kisses by Joanna Figueroa. And these are the fabrics we're using. And it's just a bunch of square in the squares. So we will make 9 of those and put the block together and put it in its setting. So let me get the pieces cut and set up, and we will get to the sewing machine. Okay, I have all my pieces cut out. This is the setting, and we've got a square with these folded corners, this with these folded corners, and then we're going to have the blue with 2 folded corners. Now all my folded corners already have a line drawn from corner to corner. You can iron them in half. You can use the sew line tape if you want. But I'm going to use the drawn line. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the blue block that has the 2 different folded corners, the 2 different prints. And in the picture, the stripes are going either up or down or sideways. You know, they're making a cross. So if you don't care about which direction the stripes are going, then do whatever. But if you want the stripes to go up and down, you are going to lay your folded corner. Where is my other piece? Hold on a sec. Okay. What you want to do is you want to, well, actually, there we go. You've got your stripes, put them side by side and make a mirror image. Okay? I have added an extra seam so that when I trim this off, I have a spare 2 square triangle, or a half square triangle. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to put that in the corner with this additional line towards the corner that's being cut off. I'm going to sew on this line. I'm going to fold it over and see, it'll go up and down. And this one will be put on this side. See how the moment it's sideways, but once I fold it, it will go up and down. So let me start with that. And we're going to do opposite corners, then opposite corners. And you're going to put the flower opposite. So you're going to go 1 stripe and 1 flower. And again, I've got my extra seam line towards the side that's being trimmed off. Okay, I'm going to trim those, press it open, and then I will put the others on. Okay, there we go. And if you choose to do the extra seam, you will end up with 2 1.5-inch square triangles. And those are extra. So now we are going to put this in the other corner. And when we turn it over, it will also go straight. They will match. Put on the other one with the extra seam towards the corner. And there you go. Now I just need to press, trim, and when I finish the others, I will be back. Okay, now that we've got them all made, this is the orientation in which they are laid out. So you've got your stripes all on the outside of the block. And this fabric is directional. If you don't care, that's fine, or you can make sure it's all going the same direction. So now we'll just put the block together. Okay, we've got the block. We're going to put on some side strips here, then a bottom strip here, 2 more side strips of background, then we will add the roof, and then we will add the flower to the right side. Okay, there we have it, block 10 in its setting, and 2 more blocks to go. Okay, I'm back. I'm sure some of you noticed that one of my rows was upside down, that the stripes was next to here, so my sweet husband unpicked that row for me. I flipped it around and sewed things back in. So now it's finished, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So thank you again. Let me know how your quilts are going, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.